What you doing, Abby? You already took your bath. Your bath is all done, honey. Aw. No, you can't get back in. Aw, I know you like your bath, don't you? Huh? You like your bath? Yeah? Sorry. Did you have fun in the tub? Huh? Did you like taking a bath? That was fun, huh? Yep, yep. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, bath. Bye-bye, bathtub. Aw, sorry.